Local news for Wednesday the 5th of June. The average asking price for property in the region was down 2.1% last month. Housing stock, however, was slightly up, although new listings were down 15.7%. The Masterton Library will again be closed today as earthquake strengthening work continues. And last month's Hospice Wairarapa appeal was a massive success, raising over $10,500. 16 competitors will battle it out in two age categories this Saturday, the Watermart Talent Wairarapa competition, 8 in each category of the under and over 14s. Masterton police are investigating an incident in which a man suffered a gunshot wound. A 38-year-old man was admitted to Wairarapa Hospital shortly before 4 a.m. Monday with a gunshot wound to his leg. Police are requesting the public's help for more information on the incident, which can be given anonymously via Crime Stoppers. And the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush made a strong comeback Monday but went down to Hawke's Bay Saracens and Hastings 42-17, with Inia Katia denied a try right on full time.